System initialized. Chapter 2, RaccoonBot Unplugged Mode, Basic Course. Welcome to RaccoonBot Training. This session introduces the teaching and playback functions, enabling manual coding without a PC. Press the power button to enter standby mode. System ready. Identifying the Teach button for motion learning. Programs joint angles, gripper actions, and added waiting times. Press the Teach button in standby mode to enter Unplugged mode. Mode and joint LEDs will turn green upon entry. Move the unit and click the Teach button once to save joint angles and positions. Double-click the Teach button to execute and save gripper actions. Hold the Teach button to insert a waiting time equal to the hold duration. Identifying the Play button for motion execution. Replays or stops the learned motion sequence. Once learning is complete, press the Play button to replay the sequence. Inputs will be replayed sequentially. Press the Play button during replay to stop the motion. Double-click the Play button for infinite loop playback. Identifying the Delete button for data removal. Deletes the most recent action or all stored data. RaccoonBot Unplugged mode, Basic Course Guide terminated. Switching to standby mode.